Welcome back. Today we are at 26 Woodland Street in Portsmouth, Virginia. This property is actually located in the historic section of Portsmouth called Craddock. Craddock was one of the first planned shopping centers in the country. Originally, this home was built as a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with about 900 square feet. In its past, it has been expanded to include an extra bedroom or family room if you wish, and an extra full bath. This, sadly, is an estate sale. This home is being sold strictly as is. The estate will make no repairs. There are roof issues. Appears to be one of the collars on one of the pipes is leaking a little bit. Appears to be hardwood floors under all the carpet in the older part of the home. Windows have been replaced at some time in the past. Kitchen cabinets are custom made for this kitchen. Pantry. And it's typical in the older homes built in the 40s. The laundry is in the kitchen. We have a dining area connected to the living room. Off to the right is the first bedroom with pull-down attic stairs. Many of the rooms feature baseboard heat, but it's not necessary, and it's actually been disconnected. There's a heat pump. Full bath, which we'll get to in a moment. Closet. The original bath has a beadboard ceiling, original tile floor, the tile actually looks to be in good shape. It needs to be thoroughly cleaned, and I would actually have the tub and the tile reglazed. Coming out the other side of the bathroom, it's the hallway again to the living room, and across the hall is the second bedroom. Continuing on down, this is the addition. It's paneled. There is sheetrock behind the paneling, and it does feature a wood-burning fireplace. And another full bath. This features a stall, shower, low rise. Head out the back door. Here is the closet for the third bedroom. Coming out the rear door, you see the continuation of the driveway into the detached one-car garage. Typical garage, pegboard, workbench, extra storage up above. The personnel door was recently damaged. Please don't use it. Concrete floor. Rear of the house. Backyard, fully fenced. Heat pump, chimney for the wood burning fireplace. If you're interested, contact your realtor and we'll get you in for a closer look. Again, this is an estate sale being sold strictly as is. Thanks.